Hey there, YouTube. I thought I'd just share this new machine of mine that I built. Obviously, it has a HAF-X case. I have this NZXT Sentry 2 fan controller. You know, works alright. I'm not using the fifth fan because I was planning to install the second one up here, but I never got around to it. But it works. I don't have that clicking fan issue other people seem to be having. I got a couple cold cathodes ones in there, one's up there. I just realized you can't see anything because of the glare. I'll take the panel off. Sorry, the desk is so messy. I'm far too lazy to fix any of that. And yeah, I wish I had a better mechanism for taking the side panel off. Okay, so there's a GTX 570 EVGA superclocked. I have it at, what do I have it at? Where's Precision? Precision doesn't like to start sometimes. Come on. There. See, I just booted it. What is it? Showing on the tray? There it is. See, 825, 1650, 2000. I could probably put it higher, but I tried at 875 and I got artifacts, and yeah, and I'm running Kata too with Boink down there, and I want it to be stable. Whoa, that's trippy. So the camera's picking up, but that's just kind of weird. Anyway, CPU is a i7-950 at 3.8 gigahertz and 1.25 volts. There's the temperature with Boink running. It's about 50 with prime. Let's see, radiator. I have a second fan back there for push-pull. Yeah, so it's working wonders. Got 6 gigabytes of Corsair XMS3 69 megahertz, 3x2 gigabyte sticks. Got a spot cool over in Northbridge, and it's a EVGA X58 493. And because that gets freaking hot at the high base clock I got. See, here's some numbers. Yep. Power supply is a Antec True Power Quattro kilowatt. It's kind of a ghetto cheapy supply. In hindsight, I should have gone with the nice Corsair 751. I just wanted to get us that kilowatt because I wanted some illusion of future proofing. That doesn't even have as many connectors as I thought it would. That little card there is wireless for that. Hard drives, 2 Caviar Blacks, 1 terabyte each, and one's for Windows, one's for Linux. It's running Windows, obviously. And I use Windows for play and Linux for work. Simple enough. I could have rated them together with the intro matrix, but they don't like, the two OSs don't like software rating. They kind of throw food at each other. Suppose that's it then. Get my Klingon bird of prey and all this wonderful crap here. Got my ammo box full of cables and sack full of vacuum tubes, and I like this radio. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Yeah. So all of it has miniaturized vacuum tubes in it. I think it's from Nam era, I don't know. Got it from a gun show. It's just kind of cool. Transmits on emergency aircraft frequencies that are still valid, so there's no way in powering this thing. Call sign. Assisted door meter. Yeah. All these bottle caps are out. It reminds me of Fallout. Yeah. I guess that's it. I gotta put this together now and do some stuff. See you later.